So here is the sample for singlet bag for the Australian market. You can see here we have all the sizes from jumbo to mini, and you can see all the bags are made with more than 36 micron, so it's compliant with the law. All has recycled printing. Now I will test the bag for you. This is bag very white, very clear. The handle very sturdy. The bottom very strong. And we have a lot of experience in the Australian market. We know all the sizes, all the specification. So yeah, you can trust us in producing singlet bag for the Australian market.